widget. I'm going to go ahead and install my Termux environment and update my pipeline-eds package. This is handling Termux stuff. These are like build dependencies. A lot of these we've picked up on the way while testing various tool chains for Python. A lot of this has been dealing with building from C or Rust. And trying to make sure everything has really smooth rollout on Termux. Because if you can't do it on Termux, then why do it? If you're going to build super user tools, I want to be able to use them in a terminal on my Android phone and on any Samsung Android device. And if you're not doing it for that, then why are you doing it? We want Typer CLI. We want browser-facing web stack GUI. We are leaning towards Svelte. We want local databasing where necessary. Right now we're leaning toward SQLite 3 because it's Termux friendly. We would rather use DuckDB, but it doesn't have the Python bindings in their pkg install DuckDB. Maybe once we get our Rust FFI set up, we can try to leverage that better. Life seems okay. All right, so that was that. Now let's run our. We need to make sure we're on our. So we just updated pipeline-eds. So I can get my very basic report using the defaults. This calls the command line interface. It says, hey, show me my wet well, my influent, and my effluent for my wastewater treatment plan. And this is what they've been up to for the last 2 days. So we've been coming off of a rain. That makes a lot of sense. Wonderful. We also have a new GUI. It doesn't have a shortcut right now, but I can run it, ironically, from the terminal, which kind of defeats the purpose, but all of this is fine. We're just going to say yes and run it. And open up our GUI. Same stuff, different day. How many days do I want? Let's look at the last 7 days for fun. The only problem here is it doesn't launch smoothly. I have to go back to the terminal, so it says I'm processing. I go touch the terminal, and then it opens. And that's been the last 7 days. You can see all that rain we had before. I showed you the last 3 days. But 7 days, crazy talk. Light mode, dark mode, hide legend. This is my favorite part right here. No, that's not it. Let's see. What else? Yeah, good stuff. Oh yeah, you can hide these things. I love it. All right, cheers.